Well, g'day there and welcome to our 7th quick tip. This is actually a bit of a viewer request. A number of staff have now asked me how they control the audio-visual equipment common in a number of computer training rooms, particularly those in the Hawthorn TAFE buildings TD Level 2, but increasingly so across the organisation. So I'm going to show you how to use the AV control panels. What I'll do is introduce you to these controls. I'll show you how you can use them to project whatever's occurring on your computer out to the audience, or indeed how to use them to project a student's computer out such that other students can see their work. Alright, so let's get started. It's quite common now to find computer training rooms equipped with a presenter's machine, a data projector, perhaps a number of television monitors mounted to the walls, and student computers often arranged in little pods on islands of desks around the room. Now all of these devices can be controlled centrally from a little touch-sensitive control pad, often mounted just to the side of the presenter's workstation. So let's have a look at what this control panel allows you to do, and I'm just going to zoom in and focus on some items. So the first thing to note about this control panel is that you can use it to control the volume up and down of the speakers in the room, which can be useful if you've got maybe video or audio playing. Some rooms also allow you to control the room lighting in a similar way. But most commonly what you want to use this screen for is to send a screen, or if you like, project a screen out to the audience. So you would click on this little button here. So imagine that we want to use this to send the presenter's machine, for instance. So we've clicked on our little button here, and what it does is it brings up a little floor plan, and it shows the various pods of computers arranged around the room for the students, and it also shows on the floor plan the presenter's desk, and of course the floor plan will differ depending on which room you're in. So if I want to send the presenter's computer out to the audience, I would click here, and it will often ask whether you want to present your PC, which is the computer attached to the desk, or if you're travelling in with a laptop you can do that as well, but almost always you're presenting your PC, so you would click on that. And then it shows you the floor plan again, but now it's asking you to choose where you want to project it to. Now these items marked here are in fact the television monitors mounted to the wall, so I could select to project it just to an individual monitor should I wish, but almost always what you want is that the same image goes to all LCDs, so to every available monitor in the room, and so you click on that, and that image will then be available to everybody. Now the same is true of a student machine. You can do the same process here. Let me talk you through that. Again, we've got our little control panel here, but this time we would actually select the particular pod that we want to project. So perhaps there's a student sitting here. We can click onto that, and then you get a zoomed in view showing the computers at that pod. This room layout only has 2 computers. I've seen some layouts with 3 or 4 computers to a pod. And so just selecting the particular computer that the student is sitting at will project that image again out to the room. So I hope that helps you. You'll find that these control panels do look subtly different from room to room. That's really because the room layouts differ. But once you have the basics, it allows you to, with some confidence, walk into a room and get your presentations up and running very quickly. So I hope that helps you.